Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, students. First, we were doing reading of chapter number 8, Our Prophet. Okay, on that day we have done reading of page number 18. Now today we will do reading of page number 19. And only one question is on page number 20. Last question. Okay. Okay, do you remember what is the name of our last prophet? Well done. The name of our last prophet is Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Now today we will learn few more things about Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Okay ji, first question on page number 19. When did his mother die? When did his mother die? His mother died when he was 6 years old. His mother died when he was 6 years old. Yes. When did his mother die? When he was 6 years old. Next question. Who looked after him after the death of his mother? Yes, in previous question we have learned that his mother died when he was 6 years old. Now who looked after him when his mother was also died? His grandfather. Who looked after him after the death of mother? His grandfather. And what was the name of grandfather? Abdul Muttalib. What was the name of grandfather? Abdul Muttalib. His grandfather Abdul Muttalib looked after him after the death of his mother. Who looked after the death of mother? His grandfather Abdul Muttalib. His grandfather Abdul Muttalib. Next question. When did his grandfather die? When did his grandfather die? His grandfather died when Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was 8 years old. His grandfather died when Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was 8 years old. Okay, next question. Who looked after Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, after the death of his grandfather? Who looked after Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, after the death of his grandfather? His uncle. Who looked after the death of grandfather? His uncle. And what was the name of uncle? Abu Talib. Grandfather's name was Abdul Muttalib and uncle name is Abu Talib. His uncle Abu Talib looked after him after the death of his grandfather. Next question. Was Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, a good boy? Yes, he was a very good boy. He always spoke the truth. Are you a good ones? Yes, I know you all are good ones. And do you speak truth? Yes, I know my students always speaks truth. Well done. Now next question. For how many years did Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, live in Makkah? For how many years did Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, live in Makkah? He lived in Makkah for 53 years. He lived in Makkah for 53 years. Next question. For how many years did Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, live in Medina? He lived in Medina for 10 years. He lived in Medina for 10 years. For how many years he lived in Makkah? For 53 years. How many years lived in Makkah? For 53 years. And how many years live in Medina? 10 years. How many years in Medina? 10 years. Next question. How old was Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, when he died? How old was Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, when he died? He was 63 years old. He was 63 years old when he died. Where is he buried? Where is he buried? Well done. You all know the answer. He is buried in Medina. He is buried in Medina. Okay, can you tell me where was he born? He was born in Makkah. And now where he is buried? He is buried in Medina. Last line of page number 19 is Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, the first prophet of Allah. Next two lines are on page number 20. No, he is the last prophet of Allah. He was the first prophet of Allah? No, he is the last prophet of Allah. Last question. Will there be other prophet after him? Yes, students. Will there be other prophet after him? No, there will be no prophet after him. There will be no prophet after him. He is the last prophet. He is the last messenger. No other prophet will come on the earth. Okay? Okay, students. Allah Hafiz.